Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sania's FLF Vlogs. I hope you all are doing really well. आज मैं आपके साथ लेकर आई हूँ पेनलेस हेयर रिमूवल फेस का और मैं ये करवा रही हूँ अक्स क्लिनिक से। मेरी डॉक्टर हैं डॉक्टर सोनिया अब्रॉय। ये क्लिनिक में आप स्किन लेज़र, डेंटल, हेयर एंड वेट लॉस सर्विसेज सब प्रिवेल कर सकते हैं। So this is the entrance of the clinic. The clinic is super duper hygienic. सो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट आप प्रोसीजर मैं आपको थोड़ा सा ओवरव्यू दिखा देती हूँ क्लिनिक का। क्लिनिक इज़ वेरी वेल मेंटेन्ड एंड इज़ टेकन गुड केयर ऑफ द हाइजीन फैक्टर्स. This is the certification wall of the doctors there. These are some trophies as well, and you see how well it is maintained, and the staff here is very, very cooperative. Moving to the reception area. Yes, this is the reception area. This is very, very quiet and very well maintained. So due to the pandemic, they have made the appointments very limited, and वो आप appointment लेंगे तो आप आ सकते हैं। और इस चीज़ का उन्होंने बहुत ध्यान रखा है कि एक टाइम पे they just attend 2 to 3 patients on the go. And this is the consent form that they every time make me fill. So this is my third sitting this time. So this is the procedure room जहाँ हमारी लेज़र होती है या दूसरे हमारे जो भी स्किन ट्रीटमेंट्स हम लेना चाहते हैं वो होते हैं. So they have in a single room they have 2 to 3 beds and on each time there will be 2 nurses who will be assisted for your procedure, and the things are very well maintained and sanitized properly whatever they do. Now the time to start the procedure. I'll quickly lie down on the bed so that they can start the procedure. This procedure takes around hardly 10 to 12 minutes. That's it. And first of all, they're going to clean my face with the cotton swab dipped in the solution. Now they'll be shaving off the excess hairs on my face. Obviously, they use a fresh razor on every new client. And the procedure is done very gently. There are actually, I have not recorded that their voice, but they'll ask you n number of times, are you comfortable, are you not feeling any pain or anything. But it's trust me, it's just a painless procedure and an effective one. सो नाउ द थर्ड स्टेप जो है इसमें हम ये मेरे फेस पे एक जेल लगाई जा रही है. दिस जेल इज़ टू प्रोटेक्ट द डायरेक्ट रेज ऑन माई फेस. सो दे जस्ट मेक अ शीट ऑन योर फेस of this gel so that the rays don't directly penetrate into the skin. I mean, there is this barrier. Now once the mask is done, they'll just put this on my eyes so that the rays don't go into my eyes, because eyes are the most sensitive area. Now they've started with my laser. Initially they'll just do the patch test, because on the third sitting they just increase the intensity of the rays. So they'll do the patch test and ask me twice or thrice, like if I'm comfortable and I don't feel the pain. So this time I had a little pricks I could feel on my face, but it was good. I was very comfortable. Yeah, here I had because of the sensitive area, I felt the prick, but it was okay. I was a little scared. So yeah, this was it. The procedure is almost finished, and you can see my skin after the procedure. They have put sunscreen on my face, and they also give an ointment and that is it. Yeah. Also, if you have any sort of questions, queries regarding the procedure or the skin laser, or any sort of questions, I'll be uploading a new video with Dr. Sonia Oberoi answering all your questions. Please drop in the questions in the comment box below, and thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.